What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible Lancelot Auto Maintenance M1630 Pro DTF printer machine, which is doubling the speed of its predecessor, the L1800, and is packed with features that are going to revolutionize the way you print on fabrics. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or a professional in the printing industry, this machine is about to change the game for you. First, let's talk about the ultra-fast DTF printing and auto-curing capabilities of the Lancelot M1630 Pro. This machine is equipped with an automatic powder shaking and heating device, which allows for super-fast printing of A3 size in just 4 minutes. That's twice as fast as its competitors, and when you're running a business, time is money. The instant curing feature ensures that you can quadruple your daily output, making this machine a valuable investment for any printing business. Plus, the automatic film cutting function reduces manual operation, saving you time and increasing efficiency. Another key feature that really stands out is the professional quality with the smart anti-clog system. The white ink circulation system and holiday mode ensure that the machine can prevent clogging during periods of inactivity, which can be a major problem with other printers. This means that you can leave the machine unattended without worrying about clogs, and when you come back, it'll be ready to go. The 3-in-1 curing system also ensures uniform powder distribution and anti-crack printing on a variety of materials, including cotton, polyester, denim, and leather. This means that you can produce high-quality prints on a wide range of fabrics, giving you the flexibility to take on any project that comes your way. Now, let's talk about the smart automation features that make this machine perfect for beginners and pros alike. The automatic film cutting function reduces manual operation, and the low ink and waste ink alarms save you costs and reduce waste. The machine also comes with PC pre-installed software and a USB connection, making it easy to print directly on garments. This means that you can get started right away without having to worry about complicated setup or software installation. Plus, the machine is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on creating amazing prints rather than fighting with the technology. In addition to its impressive features, the Lancelot M1630 Pro is also incredibly versatile and compatible with a wide range of fabrics. The A3 DTF printer can handle both sheet and roll paper, making it perfect for printing t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and shoes. Whether you're working with cotton, leather, or mesh, this fabric printer is ideal for DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and studios. And with its compact design, you can easily fit it into your workspace without taking up too much room. But what really sets the Lancelot M1630 Pro apart is its lifetime support and reliable performance. With 24/7 remote assistance, you can get expert help whenever you need it, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that your business runs smoothly. The machine is also built to last, with a durable design that can withstand heavy use. This means that you can rely on the Lancelot M1630 Pro to produce high-quality prints, day in and day out, without worrying about breakdowns or maintenance issues. In conclusion, the Lancelot Auto Maintenance M1630 Pro DTF printer machine is an absolute game-changer for anyone involved in fabric printing. With its ultra-fast printing capabilities, professional quality, smart automation, versatility, and lifetime support, this machine is the perfect investment for your business. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this machine will take your printing to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Lancelot M1630 Pro today and start producing amazing prints that will take your business to new heights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more